So in this session, I want to show you how to perform a test with high temperature. So I set a target temperature in the software to 150 degrees. And now the system will try to reach this temperature. I said that there's a temperature tolerance currently of ±2 degrees. So in case it reaches 148 to 152, the test will be performed. So what you see now is there's a temperature control unit in the system, and there's a current temperature and a target temperature visible. In red you can see the current measured temperature, and in green you can see the target temperature. I set the target temperature to 150, and currently the system is heating up, and it's currently at 45 degrees Celsius. So it will take a couple of minutes to heat up properly, and as soon as the temperature is reached, you can set another parameter, which is the settling time. And this means that if the correct temperature is reached, it will wait for this amount of seconds until the test is actually performed. You can set this time so that you can make sure that you have a homogeneous temperature inside your whole module. So we're at 80 degrees right now, so we have 70 more to go. And as I mentioned before, this will take a while, probably roughly another 2 minutes or 3, and then we can see how the test is performed. Okay, so now we are very close to the target temperature. It's about to reach 150 degrees. I set the settling time very short, so after a couple of seconds reaching the 150 degrees, the test will be started, which should be right about now. So now the oscilloscope channels are initialized again, the voltage is applied, and the test is performed as usual. So now we have the test applied. It will check for the correct current again. I set a 200 amps with a 2% tolerance, which should be able to be reached after just one pulse. In case the current is not reached after one pulse, the system will adjust the pulse width so that the correct current will be reached. After that, the system should now start to discharge the capacitors, which also takes a while because we have quite a lot of capacitance in our system to be able to reach all different currents, even at smaller voltages down to 300 volts. You see, now the voltage reached below 42 volts again. And also the system will discharge now down to 10 volts, and then the system will be open for the user to modify again. As you can also see, the temperature, it will take a while to cool down again. So roughly after a couple of minutes, again, the system is also free to touch again. And in the released product, there will be a red warning LED, which shows you if there's still high temperature present in the system. And also you can just read that from the temperature control unit itself. So now it will slowly decrease in temperature.